What's going on YouTube? What's going on Pinky Squad? Mr. Catwoman here, the MC and MCLOCS in life. Back again with another video. This isn't really a lock update, this is more of a product update. I know I just dropped my video a couple of days ago, my 14-month update, but I was like, yo, I gotta talk about this Jata Loc-N-Gel that I've been using. Full disclaimer, this is not a paid advertisement. I did not get this product for free. I did pay for it out of my own pocket, but I have in the past, in the last couple of months, I have been in contact with the lady who does make this Loc-N-Gel. So yeah, here it is, Jata Loc-N-Gel. This thing is flipping amazing. It says no flaking, no itching, no buildup, guaranteed hair growth, guaranteed shine, and guaranteed hold. Now, the only thing that I was concerned about was the guaranteed hold and the flaking and itching. Let me tell you, the hold has been pretty good because as you guys can see, this is literally 2 weeks without a retwist. And about a month and a half ago, I did wash my hair after 3 weeks and then wait another 3 weeks before getting another retwist. And it actually held pretty well. Now, the no flaking, I'm not too sure if I can say that this is the main reason why for the no flaking, but I could definitely say that this definitely helped. You could probably say it's like 33% of the reason why my hair hasn't really flaked up as much, especially up here, which is really one of my bad spots with my seborrheic dermatitis. So the Jata Loc-N-Gel plus my washing and plus my moisturizing, I want to say is the reason why it's been helping with the no flaking and no itching. Also for hair growth, with this thing's amazing for hair growth. And once again, I'm not going to give it all the credit. I want to say all the other stuff that I have been doing has helped, but all this stuff combined together with this has been the reason why my hair has been taken off, because I do see that my hair is growing a lot faster than the last time I did have the last set of locks. And I'm actually quite happy and proud of that. But I can definitely say that this was probably the missing ingredient in my routine to get my hair to grow. Because if you look at my first 8 months, there was growth, but there wasn't significant growth. Ever since my 8.5 months till now, you can see a considerable amount of growth. So yeah, so proper cleansing of the scalp, which is the washing, proper moisturizing, and the right Loc-N-Gel can help your hair grow. I'm not knocking all the other products. The only product I will knock is Jamaica Mango Lime. I think that's the worst thing. It's the devil. It's a horrible product. It's nothing but slime. But this is not slime. It's really, it may look yellow, but as soon as you twist it in the hair, it disappears. It doesn't leave any residue whatsoever. I have used Taiwanese Tighten Hold back in the past, but if you use too much of that, you will see white spots to where you actually have to go under the dryer to get rid of it, to dry it out of, basically dry it into your hair, which can damage your hair. Oh, one other tip. Ever since I started using the Jata Loc-N-Gel, I don't dry my hair with the hair dryer. I actually let my hair naturally dry. I leave the clips in and walk around the house with clips in my hair, looking all kinds of crazy. If I had to go out somewhere, which is next to never on those days, I'll wear a bonnet. Got no problem wearing a bonnet out in public. But since I started letting my hair naturally dry with the Jata Loc-N-Gel, once again, the hair growth has taken off. And also probably, I've been using this about 6 months, and I want to say in the last 2.5 months, there has been a significant reduction in my dandruff. So my routine and my process has been helping get me through my dandruff, maintaining my dandruff. I don't feel it. It doesn't flake up as much as it did before. People who do have seborrheic dermatitis do know that it can stick to your scalp, and it's like, you'll never see it, but once you start scratching, it'll start flaking everywhere. I don't really have that issue no more. But unfortunately, seborrheic dermatitis is chronic, so it's something I'll never get rid of. And as long as I do my routine, basically 33% Jata Loc-N-Gel, 33% shampooing and deeply washing my hair, and 33% other of moisturizing with my oils, has definitely helped. But yeah, if anyone's really looking for a good Loc-N-Gel, this is even good for starting locks too. I didn't start my locks with this, can't really say, but it can work. I'll even link a YouTuber down below, and his name is DaRealTarranceR. He's the one that got me onto this Loc-N-Gel, and he's actually been using this Loc-N-Gel since he started his locks over last year. I believe he's about 9 or 10 months in right now. I can't remember off the top of my head. But yeah, like I said, Jata Loc-N-Gel, it's a major go. But anyways, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you have any questions about this gel or any of the, that I probably didn't answer on this video. Make sure to ask the questions down below. Also, make sure to leave the hashtags Pinky Squad because subscribers are my Pinky Squad. And I'll respond with the hashtag Pinkies out. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell button, because every first Monday of every month I will be dropping lock updates. Also, throughout the month I'll be dropping other types of videos also with either lock updates or other stuff. We'll see. We'll see how this year goes. 2021, baby. I am the MC and MCLOCS in life. Pinkies out, people. Peace.